Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, I will try to explain you about the HTTP response concept. So I will try to explain you about the response concept. So what is this response? How we can get the response? Full log, the full HTTP response, including the status and the address. How we can do it? Let's try to see. So normally what we can do it is, so for example, let's say that here we are having a simple example, right? So for this one, we will be having a simple example. Let's take this example only. So here we are having this one all, okay, JSON placeholder to do 7. So now what I want to do it is, if I try to do the console.log of response, okay, so if I try to do the console.log of response, now if I see the output for this one, let's go here into this, and if I see the response for this one, here we are able to see the response directly. If I want to check the status or the request address and all those things, if I want to check it, means how can I check this one? So for this one, what we can do it is, so we can pass the extra one, that is nothing but what I want to say is here, where is this one? Yeah, here we can pass this extra one as observe. Okay, you can pass this observe. So what you want to observe? Response. Okay, and here you can use a constant. If you want to, if you are using this one as a dynamic, means then you can use it as a constant here. So now we are using this response, right? So now here, if I try to use this response, then what will happen? Let's try to see. So now here the observe property, here the observe property must be a literal value to ensure type safety. So here we are using the response as constant when passing it dynamically. So when you are passing it as dynamically, we use it as response as constant. So fine. Now let's try to see the output for this one. See, this time you are able to see the response for this. So whatever the headers we have received it, and what are the address we have passed it, and all those things we are able to see here, the headers and all those things. So now here you will be able to see the body and the status message, we got it as a 200, and the status text we got it as an OK. So like this we got it. Okay, so this is how you whenever you want to get the data, what I want to tell is so if you want to get the all the data, okay, if you want to get all the data and all those things, means then you need to pass the here this one observe key, and you need to pass the response as a constant. So this is a simple one which I want to tell you. So that's it guys about this one. So whenever you want to get the complete response instead of this response, means if you want to get the complete response, means then you can use this observe response as a constant in the HTTP request. That's it guys about this one. So hope you understood about this concept. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.